gusto namin patusin at feeling namin mali, nag-volunteer kami para sabihin ko anong totoo tungkol sa issue yun.
How we are trying to, discharge our responsibilities.
Palagay ko po ako nakapon sa ating bansa, magkaroon tayo ng klase ng mamamayan na pag merong bagay na dapat niyang punahin, pupunahin niya. Kung dapat ibigay niya ang kanyang panahon at kanyang kakayahan, ibibigay niya. At palagay ko po, ito yung tamang agenda ng ating pagpupulong sa umaga at hapon dito.
If you have an endorser, you have a business celebrity to try and promote something, whether it be a product or advocacy, they need to be able to lead in activity.
What is it for me? Which is basically the question also that communities and beneficiaries ask. How can you motivate them to do these things?
Ang kabataan, yung kinabukasan ng bayan. Paano mabubuhay ang kabataan kung wala tayong environment?
Nagsisimula ang lahat sa tao, paniniwala sa sarili.
At the same time, there's always a need for rehabilitation. Yun ang mas matindi.
Neither was it volunteer work that I could do, like feeding the hungry or doing some physical work, but what I offered was myself, who I am. What I could volunteer was what I had. I told my Amoy Sabelinos, I hope I can infect him, not with my polo, but with my courage. Sana mahawaan ko kayo ng aking tapang.
And I think that's very, very important for all of us, just to reinforce in any expo, in every expo. We are among people of goodwill, we're among people that want to do well.